Hey everyone, want to use ClickUp AI? In this video, I'll show you how to use ClickUp AI to work faster, create better content, and improve your productivity step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Sign in to your account and open your workspace. Next, make sure your ClickUp workspace has access to ClickUp AI features. Some AI tools may require a supported plan or AI add-on. Now open a task, document, comment, or other area where ClickUp AI is available. Look for the **AI** option and click it to open the AI assistant. Next, enter a prompt describing what you need. You can ask ClickUp AI to write content, summarize notes, generate action items, improve writing, brainstorm ideas, or answer questions based on your workspace. Review the AI-generated response and edit it if needed to match your project or team requirements. Use ClickUp AI to summarize long documents, meeting notes, and project updates so you can quickly understand the most important information. Next, generate task descriptions, checklists, project plans, emails, or documentation to save time on repetitive work. Continue refining your prompts to get more accurate and detailed results for different projects. Finally, combine ClickUp AI with your existing workflows, automations, and task management tools to maximize your productivity, and that's how to use ClickUp AI. By combining AI-powered assistance with your daily workflow, you can save time, improve collaboration, and manage projects more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.